Hello and welcome in new presentations in Easy and Different Radiology. I am Dr. Osama Ibrahim, and today our appointment number 19 is from Tips and Hints. My presentation today I will talk about the vertebra plana. In the vertebra plana I will talk about it from this mnemonic word MELT, as we will see it in the next slides. So let's start our presentation. Vertebra plana, like this vertebra which appearing like plane in shape, not rectangular like this vertebra above and below. So the definition of the vertebra plana is a complete or near complete loss of the entire height of the vertebral body, like this image of the X-ray lateral view for that vertebra, which can be described as a vertebra plana in our report. The next question here, what is the cause of this vertebra plana? The vertebra plana cause can be remembered also by the mnemonic word I melt, because the melt here is referring to the near complete decreasing heights of the vertebral body. At that times we can describe it as a plana. So melt here also can summarizing the causes of the vertebra plana. I from the infection, M from metastasis or multiple myeloma, if it is a single or solitary one, so it is myeloma. If multiple, it is multiple myeloma. E from eosinophilic granuloma, and eosinophilic granuloma easily diagnosed if the age of the patient is young age, and at that times and have vertebra plana, the first possibility from the differential diagnosis should be considered the eosinophilic granuloma until proven otherwise from the other causes. Lymphoma and leukemia also can be considered. The leukemia, if there are any hemorrhagic component in these lesions, or if there are in another lesions or blood tests confirming the diagnosis, so leukemia can be considered. Lymphoma, if there are enlarged lymph nodes which appearing anterior to the vertebral bodies or adjacent to the vertebral bodies, also can confirm the diagnosis. Trauma and TB or tuberculosis from the letter T. So all these the causes which can cause vertebra plana. Look at the history of the patient. Look as ancillary finding, and also you can reaching for one from these causes of the vertebra plana. And remember the cause also by the mnemonic word I melt as the cause of the vertebra plana. Thank you very much for your watching, and have a nice day.